All right, so I have someone who's called in on an iPhone. Is that you, Miss McIntosh?
No.
No, I know who you are, Bridget. I'm talking to the other person, so hold on.
I'm sorry.
Hold on. There we go.
No,
All right, so what?
I think she changed her name on there.
I'm
She
Kristen
logged on.
McIntosh.
You are who?
Kristen McIntosh, daughter of Richard and Diane Reeder.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. I had someone, you were in earlier and you switched devices, so I just wanted to make sure. All right.
Yeah, I think I got disconnected.
That's okay. All right, so I've changed the screen name. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Bridget Susan Reinhardt, file number 2021-20279FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Ms. Reinhardt. I have Phoebe McClure appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date and time set for sentencing. I'm going to pause real quick. You represented Mr. Smith, Ms. Underwood. We didn't have a writ, so we're going to adjourn that to Ms. Adams. When would you like me to, can I adjourn McClure out a couple weeks, or what date, or I'm sorry, Smith out a couple weeks? What would be a good date for Smith?
Judge, I did schedule it November 30th. If you want me to change that, I can.
Nope. So Ms. Underwood, we adjourned Mr. Smith to November 30th at 8:15.
Thank you.
And then
Has Mr. Love come back?
no. I'm sure he will. His dad was with him, so his dad was with him. I'm sure he'll come back.
Okay, then I'm gonna go downstairs for a few
All
minutes.
right, we'll let you know when Mr. Love gets back.
Thank you.
All right, so Ms. Reinhardt, have you had an opportunity to read and review the pre-sentence report? Oh, go ahead and unmute your device, Ms. Reinhardt.
Yes, I have.
Okay, so you've had a chance to review your pre-sentence report?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and have you had an opportunity to discuss that with Mr. Malaro?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with Mr. Malaro as your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Malaro, do you wish to explain or challenge the accuracy or relevancy of any of the information contained in the pre-sentence report?
No, Your Honor.
Does the pre-sentence report disclose any prior convictions in which there exists any known constitutional defect?
I don't think there's any prior. I don't think she has any prior convictions, Judge. So no.
All right, so Ms. Meir, or Ms. McIntosh, do you wish to say anything to the court today?
I just want to say the whole family's really hurt because Bridget was with the family for a long time, and my mom and dad loved her as a daughter, and we're just deeply hurt. That's all.
Thank you, Ms. McIntosh. Ms. McClure, is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of the people before the court passes sentence?
Just that, Judge, this case has been going on for a long time. It was actually one of my oldest cases, and I am glad that Ms. Reinhardt took responsibility and we're able to get a resolution here. I just want to point out that unfortunately Diane was not able to see this case come to fruition. And I did meet with her back when the case started, and she did want to see a resolution to this, and unfortunately she's passed away now. So I just want the court to take that into consideration when passing sentence.
Very good, thank you. Mr. Malaro, is there anything you'd like to say on behalf of Ms. Reinhardt?
Yeah, Judge, I would. Again, reflecting Ms. McClure's views. It's been an arduous case. It's kind of a difficult because of the emotional aspect. Ms. Reinhardt did provide a valuable I don't want to make it sound like it was a job, because she provided a valuable service to the readers. And as Ms. McIntosh indicated, you know, the bond there, from both sides, was, I think, felt. Ms. Reinhardt loved them as well. I think matters perhaps got a little out of hand when the relationship she had with her son deteriorated. But Ms. Reinhardt does not have any prior history, criminal history of any kind. She has numerous health concerns, which, you know, pretty much mirrors her age. She has managed to obtain employment. If my calculations are correct and she were to work full time, it'd be about $26,000 a year. She understands the issue of restitution and has indicated to me she fully intends to make restitution to the best of her ability. That being said, Judge, we'd ask the court to file the recommendation of 24 months probation. If the court could keep fines and costs to a minimum so that she can maximize the restitution amount. I think Ms. Reinhardt would be appreciative of that. That would be our request of the court.
Ms. Reinhardt, anything you'd like to say on your own behalf? You'll need to unmute your device, please.
No, because there's nothing really I can't say other than I'm deeply sorry.
All right, in determining the appropriate sentence in this case, the court has considered the seriousness of the offense, your history, the principle of proportionality, the statutory penalty, the cost of confinement, sentencing guidelines, the report and recommendation of the probation department, as well as what has been said upon the record at this hearing. The criteria and reasons for the sentence are the nature and gravity of the offenses, the discipline appropriate to its commission, deterrence against repetition by you and by others, the potential for reformation, vindication for the law, and the protection of society. Sentence of the court that you'll be placed on probation for a period of 24 months. Where are you working at?
Wesco,
Okay, all right. Are you working full-time or part-time?
part-time.
Judge, she indicated it's 35 hours per week.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna order 24 months probation. I'm not gonna order court costs of 750. I'm not going to order attorney fees in the amount of 450. There's $68 state costs, $130 crime victim rights fee.
Judge. I'm so
Yep.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
This-
they're misdemeanors again, aren't they? Yep. So there'd be a crime victim rights fee of 75, so that's even better. And a state cost of $50. I am going to order that you pay $200 a month in restitution as a minimum. So $200 per month restitution. Restitution in this case is $52,700. If you do not make that restitution payment by the 15th of each month, I can, on a violation, order court costs and attorney fees. Do you understand that?
Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
waiving those so that there's restitution, that money goes towards restitution. And I also have to order a $30 per month supervision fee. So do you understand? You have to pay $50 a week.
$50 a week, or can I pay it once a month?
You can pay it once a month,
twice
but
a
I know
month.
if it's me, it's easier for me to pay it weekly because that way I don't spend it somewhere else. But however you do it, it has to, $200 has to be paid by the 15th of every month, all right?
Okay. When does that
Okay.
start?
Obviously, it's the 1st of November, so If you could pay $100 for the month of November, and then the 200 will start in December, okay?
Okay,
All right, now, ma'am, you do have the right to appeal this sentence. So we're gonna mail to you 3 copies of your notice of right to appellate review. One of them will have a little flag for you to initial and date it, and you just do that, just to acknowledge you received the paperwork. In that envelope will also be a self-addressed stamped envelope. You're gonna fold the one you initialed and dated, you're gonna put it in that envelope, you're gonna put it in your mailbox or at the post office and mail it back to us. The other 2 copies are for you. If you wish to appeal your sentence, you would fill out the information on the form and mail it to the address listed on the form within 42 days. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, anything else, Ms. Adams, or reset?
I believe you're set, Judge.
All right, thank you, Ms. McIntosh. Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you.
All right,
Thank you,
thank you,
Anna.
Mr. Malaro and Ms. McClure. Sam, don't go anywhere yet. All right, what's your name?
And
And your attorney, this is a probation violation hearing. All right. All right, Ms. Reinhardt and Ms. McIntosh, I'm going to let you go. Mr. Malaro, I
Yes,
just
Judge.
want to say to you that you said her health issues were commensurate with her age, and she's 11 years younger than me.
Okay,
We're getting older, so you can't use that anymore, because now they're all younger than us.
well, yeah, we all have health issues, right?
Yeah, but you born in
Commensurate with your
75, you ain't
age.
old. You're not old if you're born in 75.
I don't know.
All right. I'm just giving you fair warning. Thank you, Mr. Malaro.
All right, Judge, thanks. Appreciate it.
So, Mr. Abney, you want to come on up?
Am I free to leave, Your Honor?
You are free to leave. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just walk to the podium. All right, so this is in the matter of